Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use the Ceridian Dayforce scheduling. So first thing that you do is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Ceridian Dayforce. Okay, so just let me just open a new tab right here and then type out Ceridian Dayforce. That's right, and then you just have to click on this website. Okay, so the Ceridian Dayforce, you cannot really directly sign up for an account. You have to request for a demo first or watch a demo, and then you just have to contact your sales if you are eligible to use this tool. So you just have to input your name right here, and then you can watch the demo. So what we're going to do here is just going to talk about the scheduling. Okay, so here we have the smarter way to schedule to boost workforce productivity with a smarter, streamlined scheduling. Therefore, scheduling helps you stick with your labor budget and optimizing staffing coverage and empowering your people with the ability to use this scheduling tool. So make informed scheduling decisions. So forecast labor demand using the historical data, recent trends, and seasonal predictions. We also have the auto-generate best fit schedules considering staff preferences, business demand, pay rates, and more. Balance staffing coverage and sharing workers across locations with centralized scheduling. Then here, offer shift changes, time off, preferred shifts, and overtime to all employees equally. Enable employees to build their own schedules by setting their preferences and letting them swap shifts. And then prevent burnout by balancing workload and rest across organization. So empower your people with the schedule flexibility. Then here, can create and manage agile staff schedules to get what you need to make employee scheduling more effective and efficient. So we have the intelligent scheduling. So create schedules that consist of factors like business demands, labor budget, employee preferences, rules, and more. That's right. We have the predictive forecast. So project the labor needed to meet demand using a combination of historical data, recent trends, and seasonal predictions. Compliance management. So get pair coverage in over 200 countries and territories. Expand globally without stress about pay administration or having the right local expense in place. We have the labor demand tracking. So define KPIs to help you accurately align labor with demand. Get notification when you reach a certain threshold so you can evaluate staffing coverage. And then we have the analytics and dashboards and make informed staffing decisions based on insights, view metrics like attendance, absenteeism, and plan overtime to help you schedule more efficiently. And we have the agile staffing, so share workers across locations through centralized scheduling. Plus, workers can trade shift themselves to help balance staffing coverage. So the Ceridian Dayforce time and attendance helps businesses accurately track employee work hours, breaks, and schedules in real time. Instead of relying on manual timesheets or outdated punch cards, employees can clock in and out using computers, mobile devices, or terminals. This reduces errors and ensures that work hours are captured correctly, which leads to more accurate payroll and fewer disputes. Everything is recorded in one system, so HR and managers can easily monitor attendance patterns and spot issues like tardiness or missed shifts early. Then another major advantage is its ability to automate complex rules like overtime, rest periods, and labor law compliance. So Dayforce can apply company policies and legal requirements automatically, helping businesses stay compliant without the manual work. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.